And in class D and class E, you don't have any network ID or host ID part. So straight away we can discuss that. Now if you see ranges for class A, range from 1 to 126. Class A is range from 1 to 126, and class B range from 128 to 191. This is class B range. And class C range 192 to 223, and class D range is 224 to 239. Then class E, its range from 240 to 255. So these are the ranges, and if you observe this range, here one number is kept, one number is missing, so that is 127. That we will discuss separately. So because that is not comes under any one of the classes. So just take one example here. Suppose I have a IP address. Suppose I have a IP address 30.1.1.1. So this number, this IP address belongs to which class? So by using these ranges you can say that. So if you see first octant, to find out the any IP address, any IP number, whenever you see the any IP address, if you want to know that this IP address belongs to which class, so only consider first octant, then take that number, find out that that number will comes under which range. So here 30 will comes under 1 to 126 range, means it is class A address, right? So let's take one more example, 129.2.1.1. So now same way you consider first octant. First octant is 129, so 129 will comes under this range, 128 to 191. So its this range class is B, so it is a class B address. Now if you take 200.254.30.200, same way like this one, consider the first octant, and this octant comes under which range? So this will comes under class C, so we can say this is class C address. Assume (256.4.1). This is belongs to which IP address? So 215. So 215 is comes under this one range. So this is comes under class C, but this is not comes under class C because it should not exceed 255, right? Because you in each octant you have the 8 bits, means with 8 bits you can represent, with 8 bits you can represent total 256 numbers you can represent, range from 2 to 255. So to represent 256 you need one more bit here, you need one more bit. So but you don't have any accommodation, any provision to provide this one, so that's why it's a invalid IP address. So these are the classes in IP4, class A, class B, class C, and you have two more classes D and G. We will discuss in the next part.